In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms compléments d'objet indirect. But more precisely, we will see te. So let's see together what are les pronoms compléments d'objet indirect. And the first thing, they are used to replace nouns that refer to people or things that receive the action of the verb. This is really, really important. So let's agree on that. These nouns that they will replace will receive the action of the verb in the sentence. And the second thing that is extremely important, they are called indirect because they will replace nouns that are introduced by the preposition a. So these nouns that they will replace receive the action of the verb and are introduced by the preposition a. So this is what we call les pronoms compléments d'objet indirect. So this lesson is about te. And the indirect object pronoun te can be translated into various ways in English, such as to you, for you, or simply you. And let's agree on the fact that it's the singular you. So let's see some examples with te. Je te donne mon numéro de téléphone. Je te donne mon numéro de téléphone. Pourquoi est-ce que je te raconte cela? Pourquoi est-ce que je te raconte cela? Elle te parle souvent en classe. Elle te parle souvent en classe. Elle va t'écrire une lettre demain. Elle va t'écrire une lettre demain.